Good morning friends, myself Niranjan and you are watching the channel Quest. Today is 11th May, which is celebrated as National Technology Day to celebrate the achievements and contribution of Indians to science and technology. Now welcome everybody to our today's session of our regular GK series Today in History, in which today we shall focus on some of the important events happened on 11th May in history in form of questionnaires so as to enable you to memorize easily. Friends, if you are watching the channel first time, then click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our videos. Before beginning, let's have today's thought. Struggles and problems are the part of life, but to solve these problems and face them with self-confidence is called the art of life. Now let's start today's session of our questionnaires. Question number 1. Which year on this day Indian soldiers captured Delhi from the British? Answer: 1857. Sepoy Mutiny, which had started on 10th May 1857, was spread out to Delhi on this day, and Indian soldiers captured Delhi from the British. Question number 2. Which president of India inaugurated newly built Somnath Temple on this day in 1951? Answer: Dr. Rajendra Prasad. He was the first Indian president. Question number 3. Which Indian dancer born on this day in 1918 was the founder of Darpan Academy of Performing Arts for imparting training in dance, drama, music and puppetry? Answer: Mrinalini Sarabhai. She is the wife of Vikram Sarabhai. Question number 4. Which writer and playwright born on this day in 1912 is the subject of two biographical films directed by Sarmat Khusat and Nandita Das, and whose first story was Tamasha, based on Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Answer: Saddat Hassan Manto. The biographical films based on him are titled Manto. One was directed by Sarmat Khusat and other one directed by Nandita Das. Question number 5. Which Indian actor born on this day in 1950, known for his performance in Marathi and Hindi films, and had received Filmfare Award for Best Performance in Negative Roles in 1991? Answer: Sadashiv Amrapurkar. He had received Filmfare Awards for Best Performance in Negative Role in 1991 for the film Sadak, and the Filmfare Award for Best Performance in Negative Role started in 1991. Question number 6. Which Indian freedom fighter and a noted lawyer born on this day in 1888, who was the first Indian ambassador to United States and also worked as governor of Odisha and had written the book Gandhi's Life and Death, Its Meaning for Mankind? Answer: Asaf Ali. Question number 7. Which year on this day 3 nuclear tests were performed at Pokhran in Rajasthan under Operation Shakti? Answer: 1998. This event commemorates our celebration of National Technology Day. At that time, Prime Minister of India was Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and on this day Trishul missile was also test fired, and Hans 3, first nationally built aircraft, was test flown. Question number 8. Which company was formed on this day in 1924 from merging of Gottlieb Daimler and Karl Benz companies? Answer: Mercedes-Benz. Friends, thanks for watching the video. If you feel the video is useful, then comment, like, share and subscribe.